Barking is a natural way dogs communicate, but too much barking can become a challenge for both pets and their owners. Thankfully, there are simple and effective ways to stop excessive barking in your dog. Firstly, find out why your dog is barking. Is it boredom, fear, excitement, or attention seeking? Understanding the cause helps you choose the right solution. If your dog barks when you leave or hears a noise, it could be due to separation anxiety or territorial behavior, making them feel uneasy or protective. Create a quiet and cozy space for your dog where they can relax when they feel anxious or overwhelmed, helping them feel safe and reduce stress. Avoid reinforcing barking by accidentally rewarding it. If your dog barks to be let inside or for treats, wait until they are quiet before giving in. This will teach them that barking is not rewarded. Teach your dog the quiet command by waiting for them to bark, then saying quiet when they stop. Reward them with a treat or praise. With practice, they will learn to stop barking when you give the command. Introduce your dog to new people, places, and situations to make them less fearful and less likely to bark at unfamiliar things, helping them become more confident and relaxed. Exercise helps decrease barking. Dogs that lack physical activity may become bored and bark more. Ensure your dog gets daily walks and playtime to release excess energy. A tired dog barks less. Teach basic commands like sit, stay, and come. A well-trained dog is easier to control and less likely to bark unnecessarily. Mental stimulation helps reduce barking. Dogs that are bored often bark for attention. Keep your dog engaged with puzzle toys, training, or new activities to keep their mind active and minimize barking. If your dog barks for attention, ignore them. Give attention only when they are quiet. This helps them learn that staying calm earns rewards, not barking. If your dog barks at the window, close the curtains to reduce visual triggers and help stop excessive barking, making them feel calmer and less reactive. Dog bark collar can be a useful tool for managing excessive barking. It provides an instant correction when your dog barks, helping them learn to stop more quickly. The Farfrog dog bark collar uses sound and vibration to discourage barking in a gentle, non-harmful way. With adjustable levels, it adapts to different barking intensities for effective training. Designed to be lightweight and comfortable, the collar ensures your dog can wear it with ease during training sessions. By understanding the cause of the barking and using these methods, you can teach your dog when to be quiet, creating a calmer environment for both you and your pet.